5 new 2025 Android spy tricks stop them before they see everything. One major sign that someone might be spying on you through your camera or microphone is the small green dot that appears in the top right corner of your screen. This indicates that an app is currently using your camera or mic. To find out which apps have access, go to your phone's settings, then tap Security and Privacy. Scroll down and select More Privacy Settings, then open the Permission Manager. From there, tap Camera to see a list of apps with camera access. If you notice any suspicious or unnecessary apps, tap on the app name and select Don't Allow. Then go back to the Permission Manager, tap Microphone, and do the same. Deny access to any app you don't recognize or trust to help protect your privacy. Next, let's check if someone is secretly tracking your phone's location. Open your phone's settings, scroll down and tap on Location. Then, go to Location Services and select Google Location Sharing. If you see an unknown person listed there, it means they have access to your real-time location. Now let's move on to another important sign. Call forwarding, which allows incoming calls to be redirected to another number. This feature can be misused to secretly spy on your calls. Luckily, there's a quick way to check and disable it using a simple USSD code. Open your phone app and dial number 21#, then press the call button. Your phone will display a list showing whether calls, messages, or data are being forwarded. If it says not forwarded, you're safe. But if you see an unknown number, that could be suspicious. To stop any unauthorized forwarding, dial #number 002# and press call. This will attempt to cancel all call forwarding settings, and you should see a confirmation message like call forwarding erased successfully. It's a good habit to dial this code regularly to make sure you stay protected. Another crucial step is to check who has access to your Google account, since it acts as the central hub of your Android phone. Everything from sending emails and storing photos to syncing contacts and calendars is tied to your Google account. If someone gains access to it, they don't even need physical access to your phone to spy on you. With just your login details, they have full control over your digital life. To check if someone suspicious is logged in, open the Gmail app, tap your profile icon, and select Manage your Google account. Then tap to the Security and Sign In option, scroll down and click Manage All Devices. Review the list carefully. If you spot any unfamiliar device, tap it and select Sign Out, then immediately change your Google account password. Remember, hackers often spy on your phone simply by compromising your account. One of the most common tactics used by spyware creators is app cloning. These fake apps are designed to look identical to popular ones like WhatsApp, Instagram, or even basic tools like Calculator or Settings. But behind the scenes, they function as spy tools, secretly storing your passwords, capturing screenshots, or tracking your activity. They often hide in plain sight with similar icons and names, making them hard to detect. These apps usually appear only in the full apps list. To check for cloned or suspicious apps, go to your phone's settings, tap Apps, and then see All Apps. Carefully scan the list for any duplicate apps, like 2 versions of WhatsApp, or unfamiliar names you didn't install. If you find anything suspicious, force stop the app, clear its data, and uninstall it immediately. To stay safe, always download apps only from the official Google Play Store to avoid installing hidden spyware. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips.